Today, I'm going to show you how to make this holiday wreath at home. And there goes the bow. Okay, great. Hey guys, Tiana from Cricut Media here, and I'm going to show you how I made this holiday wreath for the office. Christmas is almost here, and at Cricut Media, we love holidays. Before we get started, let us know in the comments what you're doing to get into the holiday spirit, and don't forget to subscribe. So all of the materials needed to make this wreath are available at your local dollar store, and they're safe enough for the kids to join in on this activity as well. The first thing you're going to want to pick up is a wreath form. I'm using a 14-inch wreath form, but I also saw 8-inch wreath forms, so you do have options. The next thing you're going to need is Garland. They had all kinds of colors and decorations available at the Dollar Tree that I went to, so feel free to be creative and pick up whatever catches your eye. Finally, and this is completely optional, but I decided to purchase an assortment of baubles and bows just as a finishing touch for this wreath. Step 1. Okay, so wrap your garland around your wreath form, starting at the top of the wreath form and wrapping the garland through the center hole and back around the top. My garland is 25 feet long, so I used 2 packs of garland for a total of 50 feet. If you use a smaller wreath form or you don't mind gaps showing in your garland, you can definitely get away with using one 25-foot pack of garland. Here is what my wreath looks like after I added the garland. Now it's time for bulbs, or any other decorative bauble that interests you. If you like how your wreath looks so far, you can totally stop here. Everything after this is purely for decoration. To add the bulbs to the wreath, you have 2 options. First, you can use ornament hooks, which I'm doing here, or second, you can use a hot glue gun to attach the bulbs to the wreath form. I'm using the ornament hooks so that this activity is safe and easy for the little ones who want to help out with the project. If you're using the ornament hooks, it can be kind of tricky. Secure the free end of the ornament hooks to any ring around the wreath form. Be careful not to attach the bulbs to the garland or the bulbs may fall off. And here's what our wreath looks like after adding the bulbs. Looking good so far. So here I'm just trying to decide which bow I like and where I want it to go on the wreath. I decided to place the gold bow at the bottom of the wreath. And here's our final product. What do you guys think? Let us know down in the comments. If you're interested in more Cricut Media crafts, be sure to check our description box. There you will find a link to sign up for our 12 Days of Christmas craft emails.